Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious potato cream soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 pounds of potatoes, peeled and diced into 1-inch cubes, along with 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth. Also, prepare 1 cup of rich heavy cream and 1/2 cup of finely chopped onion. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of butter, plus salt and pepper for perfect seasoning. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's begin cooking our soup base. Start by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a large pot over medium heat. Once melted, add your chopped onion and sauté it gently until it becomes soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, stir in your diced potatoes and pour in the 4 cups of broth. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 15 minutes, allowing the potatoes to become tender. With the potatoes tender, it's time to achieve that signature creamy texture. Carefully transfer the cooked potato and broth mixture to a blender, or use an immersion blender directly in the pot. Blend until the soup is completely smooth and velvety, ensuring there are absolutely no lumps. Once blended, return the soup to the pot over low heat. Finally, stir in your 1 cup of heavy cream until it is fully incorporated, making the soup wonderfully rich. Our potato cream soup is almost ready to enjoy. Now, let's perfect the flavor. Season the soup with about 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Always taste and adjust these seasonings to your personal preference. For a beautiful finish, garnish your warm soup with fresh chives, crispy bacon bits, or a delicate swirl of extra cream. Serve immediately and savor every comforting spoonful of your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.